Hello everyone, I am here today with a fresh review of the TC-Homeny wall-mounted kayak rack storage. Folding hanger, kayak ladder, kayak holder, indoor, outdoor. In other words, it's cradles that you hang on your wall and then you can hang a kayak on that. Now this company sent these to me for review, a fair, full, and honest review. This is what comes out of the box. Okay, we have the cradles themselves. These will be wall mounted, as I stated. These look like pretty good quality, and the mounting brackets are such that these should be able to fold at 180 degrees, or 90 degrees actually, to fold flat against your wall when not in use. It's got some nice cushions for your kayak. So you get two of these racks, two of these wall brackets, and then the mounting hardware. And it looks like some mounts to go on the brackets to put this against the wall, mount that. It looks like 6 of them, probably 2 down below here, and then 1 up above. So that all seems to make sense with screws and dollies. So these look like good quality. Let me go mount them to a wall and hang a kayak and give you my full, fair, honest opinion. Okay, here you have the brackets mounted to the wall. It took me about 45 minutes. That's because I had to find the studs and measure and get them the same height, but they're mounted. You will see they will fold flat against the wall when not in use. Let me get a kayak on here and show you why kayak storage is such a big deal to me. So there you have it, my kayak mounted on the new racks. That's a perfect fit for that spot on the wall. And as you can see, kayak storage is a big priority for me. I've got a lot of kayaks, so maximizing space and hanging them on walls and across ceilings is very important. So hey, for a budget set of wall mounts, I would say these are pretty darn good.